Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be installing a retractable hose reel, but first we need to clean up the area. Next up, you're going to want to dig a 12-inch diameter hole by about 2 to 3 feet deep. Now, in order to install this hose reel, we needed to go with a 6x6 post because the 4x4 was not big enough for the bracket. Now time to add some post setting expanding foam. Now for this hose reel, you want to cut the top of the post at around 3 and 4 feet. Now to clean up the post before painting, a quick little sand job. So for this paint job, I just went with Rust-Oleum flat white. When it comes to installing your bracket, not only do you need to make sure everything is level, but you need to include the height of the hose reel so it's not overlapping the post. And for something a little extra, we got a solar light cap. Fingers crossed, time to test out our work.